This is the login page. As you can see, now we're going to go to sign up page. This is the sign up page. We're going to fill the sign up form. Now you can see the mobile view. This is the mobile view. We're going to sign up. We can select a role, student or instructor. We're going to select instructor. This is the explore page. We can see the name. We can see these options in the header. We're going to go to profile and we can edit the profile and update it. Age, gender, and save the profile. We can also see it in mobile view. We're going to save it. This is the explore page in mobile view. This is the desktop view. We can go to settings. We can see again the profile is updated. We can go to the logout option and we can log out. Now we can again log in by entering these details. This is the mobile view of login page. Now we can see the explore page here. We're gonna see this is the sidebar. These are the categories. We can see all the categories here. We can see all the trending topics here, trending courses, sorry. These are the free courses. These are all the courses, first page of all the courses. We can also see this in mobile view. We can see the sidebar in mobile view, all these bottom menu and all these options, settings page in mobile view, explore page in mobile view, profile page in mobile view. Now we're gonna go see all. This is the course list page. We can see all the courses in a list. We can click on next. We can see trending courses. We can see free courses here with 0 rupees. We can see it in desktop view. We can also search a course if you want to. I will write block here. Correct word will show all the courses. This is the course page. We can see all the details about the course, who created it, title, tagline, duration, description, requirements. This is the mobile view. These are the related courses. We can click on one of the courses, any related courses, and we will come back up and we will see this course. This is the title. We can enroll in this course right now. When I click on enroll, I will be enrolled, and all the modules, you can see the modules. Earlier we cannot see the modules, but right now we can see the modules are open for us, so we can click on any of it and we can open the link in a new tab, and the right link will be opened, and the thumbnails are also being shown. Now we can go again back to the explore page, and there is a new section named my courses with our courses which we enrolled shown here. So I can click on this, and when I click on this, I will be into the courses. This is the mobile view of courses page after modules being accepted. I can also add a new course, create course, and when I click on it, this is the desktop view of create course page, and this is the mobile view of create course page. And I can choose a thumbnail from here. I can enter all the details, course name, tagline, description, requirement. I can edit duration and the course price, category and subcategory, and I can create a new course, and it is created, and I can see all the details here. I can also see small edit buttons here which are used to edit data. We can right now edit, and when I click on the tick, it will be edited or saved. This is a very handy thing to use. I can again enroll in this course, but there are no modules here, so we cannot see any module. So we can go here and we can create or edit modules. We can also see this in mobile view. I can click here and I can edit modules. So new page, edit modules will be opened. Here we can edit new modules. So I'm gonna name a module and I'm gonna do a description here, and a new module is added here. Every module has a lecture or multiple lectures, so it does not have a lecture, so we are going to add a new lecture here. We're going to name it, we're going to put a YouTube link to it, and here we have a new lecture with its thumbnail and its link. So everything works perfectly here. I can also see this in mobile view. I'm going to go to the search bar. I'm going to search this course. This is the course which we just created, and there is also another course which was earlier created. This is the one we created by John Bullet, which is the user we logged in by John Bullet. We can also delete this course. So I'm going to delete this course. Now the course has been deleted, so when we again search for that course, only one of the course which was previously there is showing up. This was created by another user.